So yabema Ghana de hye nyina aha nyamo bibia kwa aba e de aba dwuma de friend say Wake Up Africa dwuma de Royal Television so awia bidin ene yawo odam kodua na yebe do bo ade ase so de nkwa che ne kwese da wia so yasan ahia biem dwuma de hye ase na ene na wotwe to so emiensa efa ye corona virus ho yesa yare ye nei edega edi wiase nyina ra bedum pempensuin eno ne ne mpanfo si nkonya ne ebu nkomponi ehwe nkrata se mo keka videos ahodo bom ehunu se anye bia no yare ye fa pote pa ana efiri na ba bi kura fi ba no botae no de ba ye ne sen wanum na share kiro mpeso mo fa yare ho atom koko ni nyina ye nsema hodo a ye boboso na last 2 weeks start ye no ye nwie last week ye nwie this week so ye beto so amamo ekwan bam na sie wie a ye bede nyankopon ase ye nwie so de a ye wo be se ye to so atutola nti adam bokon kakra kopem se coronavirus first covid-19 no betumi ate ase no wate ase ye kire bi no bi kan bia wonso ahudwo betumi aka meka osesa dwuma de dwuma kumi ne bo ekidom yetumi ne bra de di kan heba de hebala omo de hepa plus anafe pavi and plasmos ade abadwa so hepa plus no immune system booster wonum bia esiesi onipadua no pa so ye obaye bema no de onum bia so mfaso no ade ma ewo brebo mama brebo na tuma de no ade ho free hepatitis B mu no na mema na mamu gira mo na so na ma so fiti kono eyi ne nyina wo hawo edi free so na pavi and plasmos no eno so malaria do tatahwe a de bi e kase so kwa yarsabia na doctor show mo jam no cast malaria parasite anaba mu a momoden so be man say ka pavi and plasmos onu mo anansa na pepe no enya de so be hu malaria parasite no emu ebiem enti ma nsa enka bi ahyeta e o man Ghana mu ba bia bre papa mu no e be twa ho ma tofo be tuma frɛ na nsa company fo a obeya no dosopu no atuo dwuma ku etoso mienu Israeli consult enei omo ana de akande ahodo abadwa so a ebo amani pa yasetram atuma wie dwodwodi amayen wosi nsu abenom no bomodien hu se nsu ni nsu papa nti o HP tester ho abe test nsu no afi so mu a sebiota fracture ha nya mane bi o mani so a ya hye ma hweniwa no wosi bunyi sa hweni nyina ntungu ne momodien ase mo nsa beka quantum spectacle ne bi eno be siesi woni so be yi woni so hawo nyina na woni na tumi anta ha mo hu ade tede ya wo foforo no ni nyina chi no so ne quantum beauty spray e wo ho eno so de eboa papa he se onantem apropro se wo hyempaboa na mu bon so osum bon se biota fracture ya na sisiwa bi keka woni ade no mo amani mo wrinkles ahodo ni nyina no munya quantum body spray di bia beauty spray na beboa papa afi ni nyina twamu a books ahodo didi dwuma wo sa program we so no ni nyina na Israel consult ena mama bia to na se wo kaso an kokro bi tempatem ho se wo peda ya han ana se bia pe blocks ato ana se bia wo ofie bi na pesa wo ton ana se wo pe bia to no ensa se wo se ne ka ho nyina no wo de bedan omo a omo so beboa wo ebre papam ye do mo number no ma chekwa nyina betudwa sa nyuma kwemu yenu ena bo ekidom ema ye de Wake Up Africa dwumadie no ebre okwasi da bia ye dumienu ekopem awia no mienu meka se yem ko twetwe no akwanya miensa ewo ho ema wa oso betumi do anu atom ye di kan ene so be sende eye message e dia fa normal SMS anasa WhatsApp was 0240 270 671 0240 270 671 announce say obe sende ede afa eye Facebook wo bra be search for RTVGH uko Facebook na search for RTVGH a eno so benya program no live ahwe fa message se de bia ho na yenkenkan ma at the right time de to so emiensa no enyinara ene share enei won so ye bie phone line tumu a wetumi afre no abadwadi ni bi so na kai said Wake Up Africa yenduma dia wodo ye di nyinara de fa coronavirus yi ho de fa vaccines ho duma de ye twam ni de gusu di ni nyina no uko YouTube na search for Wake Up Africa GH a ubenya no so live no ahwe na ahwe abomodien so be subscribe na face so no be mia notification bell no so no share no leave udin eno number e comment page woni ekwaje kofa yatumi edwaka ye group anasa WhatsApp group no ehon abusafo ye beta ne hu tewape aba ye ba afi ye beko of Poku Dankwa executive director at the Ma Freedom Mind Movement and afi ura Israel Kroma ono se coordinator at Ma Freedom Mind Movement no mo akobon komo na bia last week de eso ye no ho ne be sha ase de afi nti owura Israel and be sha kwotwetwe na ase na fi wa chenyi baton no de mo fa Poku na kise kola on the scene no ye da ne ho ne agya bo afon krato abati wa pe ba ye be di nkomo so na aba afi ya transe ne ne mpanifo ba be di enkomo Nana oseda me champion man back up nana na anope mo ham Jesus Abri o share eye Wake Up Africa ene abusuafo ado a mo twa hia mo TV ho na wie nyina no mo nkosra mo hwe Wake Up Africa of adonko enso we bi any estate na we Wake Up Africa de ukram sekike ofa kwa ba
ejo so ya
na pom ti say
mpa bonti
ya do ba dia say ofe yawe ya boko de ada dia say onka ho
sa o hwe mani mu a
kakra bi de dia ka sam shift ba ya sa anka ne nko ha
o man back pass na mfa nwa ma o hwe na
okay ofa
ya
last week ya to a esa coronavirus issues iso
yeah
ama ofa edi church videos bi no achi me di nkomo afa wo hyase se o penetrate areas bi edi amaye ana am se ebre ne ye bia ye de sore ye to bia ye duru ye no madaroma o de beto so fi no
to aso mate ya o me da se betia ahwefo nyina ene dem se talking emuye
na me adom
emuye quick na mo kan train
sa
na yen call last week combination na nye fefe ya o be bia no eni pa me se o mo hwe program no Africa and Ghana and other African countries no o ma do so yi
okay
because eni pa nkwa ye bi asoli etwem
okay
obi a wo fie nti yesi asa na ye na ha no obi anti mo wi na collection majeje
mo jeje mo hu
na
me they should see me in chambers
ko bi anye ne de mo ko mo hene onye mpunti
anwa no
sa ya ye be ma amanfo so say omo so nya da jena fe omo tie de ye ka no afide ama bebe no ano ani abomo so say no ofo omo ye hwan no bebe bi sasa question no enya asole
okay
ena enye political party bia that you don't belong to any religion
yes
good nko pon more religion because bebe na for question bebe no every bisa no ensema ye ka no eyo mo nwanwa eyo mo hu nti no Ghana ha say no kan say me say no a na pedo e pastor be di wa kwere apakoshe we don't belong to any church yen kwa so le bia e Hebrew for okay Hebrew Israelites
yes
ye de Nyankopon no kore e di bre nipa nyame som no nye asole nka asole de a ke nipa nyina tefie nyame som na wa hefa emo no ade a Nyankopon ye say nipa nye ye hu no kore ye fa ntu day to day life and eye ho adwuma no enti say ene etia no mo a obi a na okwa asole bia no ene ohu no say changing bi eba
okay
enti na edu Sunday a na obi a ye ma on the television ho ahemfo mo hwe yen echi o mu nyina ni mpelifo mo hwe yen nyina na entum mo ohene bia de ndo so yie echi a wo mo yaw one de bia meka say a Christopher kan sem bi omo nyuma moto omo say Yesu din na ya boso awanwadi thank you ye be say obonsam nyuma nyina la omaka
se wo bono gidi ma sankira ni be di wachi Yesu din na ya
to destroy the works of the devil ye be say obonsam nyuma
yes
and o transfer them ho sa ma na obonsam kasa na say wo mo no
okay
you see asofo mu wu no e do so ye pa Europe and America omu wu papa afidi e be ma amanfo hu say no kraka to reveal the secret to let people know the truth and inside the church
okay
and inside the mosque no mo no a powerful movement be aba ma nipa adwuma da ho no mo nipa ni ebie nipa hu say se ma hu no de kwaso wiase a enye inside the temple no mo no eye wo research abaye na fi no what define ye wa ye no no de to anamo nti na yaba no yaba say ye be ma obi biala a wo tie program biya no obe turn around no obe student amanya nkopon we have only one shepherd here kan na no e lambs a yesua de nti adesua no na obo hu say corona pandemic vaccine virus say na tie into no here me kadem say simbo say ye members no dey echi nyina no I'm talking about the truthful members no dey echi nyina no omu nyina no enim say yale ebeba into my prepared into ade we ba say no am ye members na yawo enye wo nwanwa
yes because more can sake
they can sake one who church almost say ewiase no ye was scientists omu wie school a omu go lab Can me see any? Your friend is say, Apoto Bibri, I will die. Scientists look of fact. No, I trap Apoto Bibri Munsio. At the time, yo. No, I got a pair cotere. No, I train the Munsio. No, a pair have baby. No, I train the Munsio. No, I can't never see any. No, I pair in toast. No, I train Munsio. No, they created tomatoes for Meboa. In toast, no, at the Honomoa. A fair. And now, when you put the Honum Swa, the fair, bet Bakuya could you. And you know, yeah, call for the dear woman say, offer the shepherd, or may whom say, if we are so any fair. Be better to me see. Until we are educating our people who are the core members of this divine movement. Eh, whom say, if we are so no, who until you are by ye, any problem be a beam. No one know, a bit of bushwire, a better way cry. Okay. On my way. Until no, you welcome everybody. We are Kremoni, we are Christiani, we are Hindu ni, we are Buddhist ni, we are Jew ni. Come on board. We have so many branches. Our Ghana has say, Takwa, Kumasi, Ashama, Accra, Takrade, Edorson, Obeje Okad. Now, all but say, they may ba, Ababetana, Peninasi, Abisuya. A home now, because be a wood uncle school da. The bet to me, I transform what journey. No, be a perfect soul, it will be say. Okay. Yamason, yaw, a ye, Nimdea Benya. Now the bet 2 anamon. And then I question moon 24/7. It's a Usman and Copon. Until you see a back, a very free the mind movement. The program is Wake Up Africa. Young Solly. Until you lay by yaw, ye mohu. No more no yama among for who and ye may be a brony. He can see any, or this shit nipper free yassi. Then David the Cayano. I said, I came back to Benkum. Peter to Nifa. Now, dear, when you are about for the Aketria, that is the Hebrew Israelites. And when you know, the Casa say, and Copon, Assum for our end time, no, and then no credit every in Nipa. It's not solid, send everybody, some collective public, and say, it's not a church. The master of the saying, Master didn't say, Master know what him fan, and I'm in Cremo for, and then Cremo, and you sorry, a Hebrew for. Good. Yeah, too. WHO.
World Health Organization.
Thank you. Now, I can last week, you know, Namely, me trust we are, and some idea what a shepherd, yow. Then you know what, huh? Yeah, Mr. In the book of Revelation, I had this. God, Oko Hebrew, my friend Hazon. And no, after for no book, no, now, man in some no, Basa, to be said, a Christopher say, I'd somebody I turn on Revelation, no, almost Tiasia na, almost a Yamai. You won't, you do Arabia, from the pay horse. Last 2 weeks, looking kind. Pay horse, no. The who could trade, Sunday Trebium, a hundred and go say, we who Poncobia or your pale. Na Yamano to me, say on fire layer, a com, no often cum nipper be we are say, Meboa. Yes, good. A honey do no. And you do one open a mind, your members who say, the beard do no, a dangerous. To be a member of the Free the Man movement, said I was away. Until you call for no minimum. And never can cry. We repay horse no, no chase WHO. No, make a Sanchez. The go from Bois, next you could know, and the Abana fool. And you'll be said that the enforced me. Yes, we cry. Yeah, if you see, we say, the be a catcher say, I did who know. The US we say, no, and your fair beam. So your young boy cry, they cannot be away for two. Men tell me answer. Yes. The beer to me see. So far as a man for a good lab or more critical with the baby arsenal. Now, if you say any fair, and when they can say, sɛ wo wiase a wɔde die nsuo nom watale hyɛ bibia sɛ woyɛ careful abɔnefoɔ aba wiase wese mu a nipa ewu firi wiase no ɔmo make ɔmo profit na saa bere wese nipa ewu o wiase mu no yɛ uncountable na owo na yɛka ho asɛm no enti buku ekyerɛ sɛ saa pay horse no era no ɛyɛ dead.
So they can carry free revelation.
Bible no mu no.
Okay.
Yes, an kan ebiem. No mo na pese ma book we say a papa na koya no. The pay horse na so de kyerɛ no. After bebe no ano eba show no so hwɛ program ne bie. Enti no pay horse no asɛm a wo mo ka fa ade we say hunu yawo ɛno nie. Enti wo bɛkan na fi no obi ehunu sɛ edu saa bere we say a ɛnyɛ ade a ɛda fam. That is it.
Okay. Ye kan afiri ɛyɛ pay horse enhomanim. Katafa toso oha adioso ensia.
Yeah.
176. Yeah, nenhweso minu paragraph 2. Or say all intellectuals, rulers and governing bodies agree that population is the biggest threat to civilization that we know of today.
Population?
Yes.
Biggest threat.
Is the biggest threat to civilization that we know of today.
Wow.
Okay. It does not matter what you believe. If they believe it, you will be affected because they have the power. The New World Order will eliminate the population threat in several ways. Complete control of individual behavior may be established using electronic or chemical implants. No one will be allowed to have a child without permission.
Yo, what?
Me maware me yire na ofa. Me be no sogum. Nga ba so men krono that permission ma menyo.
Ya wura fi say dan say Ghana ha say. They be can say untumi wo more than 3.
Oh yes.
Wura fi. The same law we say eko Nigeria.
Yes.
China krampo no you say one child policy.
Yes.
E wa so boku we kan. Say ebre bi ba emu ne wo no. Unni tumi say me wu badugan. Me wu du. Na ma je badugan ebi ne ho biem.
Okay.
Episode shall say, if you are say no, people are control everything going on in this world. Okay, electronics. You will say, and I'm penny Mahama administration. About passing law says, oh, didn't come off to crampa. About to me say, or tapo conversation.
Yes.
Right? Abem.
Also, no one will be allowed to have a child without permission. Stiff penalties wait for those who ignore the law. The violent, the old, the infirm, the handicapped, and the unproductive will be killed. Private property will be abolished. Since religion helped to create the population problem, it will not be tolerated except for the approved state-controlled religion, which will evolve according to man's needs.
Book we say so be nya book we say bi. Won say mo kan. Religion and ma nipa ewuto. Religion. To me the lost be ba and untifie. Thank you. Untifie.
So be ko unko yenim.
Pania e book na to no mo ya e kan de be fie anim. The pay horse. Enti eno ene ye ka ko say tam ye ti say yale bi aba. A fa say COVID-19 a manfo ewu yate manfo ewu na WHO fa kwankofo bi a omo de ye say what the bench you kwasa kwala to krampa if you permission from njan say don't know what to say no this some more permission and other than what you sue etenipa nkwa ekuta wo mo every adro biala you use in hospital biala so mo ma kwan say use a you don't use it enunti no ama obi ohwe me bia nim say WHO for there omo ye perfect omo na bo nipa yale ehun ban beti yawo nipa su enkofo owu ne ma amanfo hu say WHO for here there we don't believe them it sounds say omo yankofo bi a bribe je omo fa ne kwa WHO for ya ena kama nipa bebe na ewu owiase if you read the Hebrew for there yet WHO for yet but you don't respect them. And they do my omoye. So omo mwa ewiase. ɔmo ne ewiase hospitals companies